for my ad campaign, I wanted to pick an ad that was from Nike. One that had vibrant colors and one that popped. One that had a bold statement that allowed you to know what you were buying in also a clever way. So this is the original. So we'll go ahead and scroll down and get a closer look at the original ad. So what this ad is it says be on cloud nine, and it is to promote Nikes, showing that you're going to be happy and you're going to really love what you have. So taking a better look at this, with the design of this ad, you see repetition. Repetition applies specifically with these 3 Nike shoes because you see 3 of them. You also see floating elements. You see the sky up there, and then it has the brightness with the wording that goes along with the shoes. Overall, this design is pretty simple. It allows 3 of the same product to be visually represented as well. You can also notice that the logo is in the bottom right corner and that all of the font for typography is white. I think that's something that's important to notice because you see that it's bold and powerful yet really sleek, and overall has a really good look to it. Just some other parts of this ad are the color. Not only was the font and typography white, but it contrasts with all the different colors that are going on. So here you have purple in the shoe, you have charcoal, you have the vibrant neon green as well as the orange red that all comes together because of the light blue sky. It really softens and creates a reality look. So now we're going to take a look at the new ad. This is the new ad. We'll let you take a little close look at it. Overall, just with a quick glance, you can see that the Nike logo is right here in the bottom right corner. The Nike.com is short and sweet and powerful right in the center of the ad, as well as repetition and a bold saying as well. So here some consistencies lie. Like I mentioned before, the logo is in the bottom right corner. You have 3 repetitions, and you have a short and punchy catchphrase line that be on cloud 9, fly even higher, both attract you to take an action as well. Some other consistencies that you will find are the white font, the vibrant colors. You have the repetition of the 3 girls, as well as a blue real sky photograph. Overall, that is my ad. Thank you for watching. Fly high.